We will learn how to draw a mechanical engineering object. First, open our lovely software, Librecad. First, set the layer. I will change my default layer here. Change color to dark cyan. Change width. Click OK. Create another layer. Layer name dimension. Change color dark magenta. Width. Click OK. Activate layer default at layer 0. Okay, now we will activate free snap. Snap on grid, snap on endpoints, snap center, snap middle, and snap intersection. Create a rectangle. Select rectangle tool. Left click and go to command line from type add 60, 60 and press enter. Okay, now time to create circles. For circles radius type 4 and press enter. Next circle type radius 10 and press enter. Create circle again. Select circle center point. Put the center of our circle into the center of our rectangle. Left click here. Go to command line form and type radius of our circle 22. Press enter. Create circle again. Go to command line form, type 28. Press enter. Create a circle again. Go to command line form, type 37 and press enter. Now we will delete or remove unnecessary file. First, select divide, tool divide, select the circle and click at the point which one you want to divide. Select divide, click at the circle, click at the point we want to divide. Select the unnecessary line. Oh, maybe want to use divide again. Select divide, click at the circle, click at the point we want to divide, click at the unnecessary line and delete. We will create fillet line here. Select fillet, type radius 15, click at the first line here, click at the second line, okay, click at the first line, and click at the second line. Now time to mirror this shape. Select the shapes, select mirror tools, click at the mirror line, 2 points, and select keep original and click OK. Now we will use mirror again. Select the shapes, right click, select mirror, keep original, click OK. That's very fast. Now select the rectangle and delete. We will use divide again. Divide, select divide and click at the circle, click at the point we want to divide. Okay, select the unnecessary line here, select divide again, click at the circle, click at the point we want to divide, select unnecessary line here, try again. Okay, now time to add dimensions. Change the activate layer dimension, select radial dimension, radial, click at the arcs of our circle and the center of our circle. Now we'll change the dimension preferences. I will change the linear precision, angular precision, click OK, and we will continue to add dimension here. Select radial, click at the arch and the center of the circle. We will move the number by click on it. I think it must be here. Okay. Oh, this one. Radial, click at the arch and the center of the circle. Yep. Okay, I think that's all. We just finished our drawing section now. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe our channel here. Thank you.